AWS IAM is like the bouncer at the club. It decides who gets in and what they can do. It keeps AWS secure by managing identities and permissions. Think of it as a gatekeeper that ensures only the right people have access to the right resources. The best part, it works seamlessly across AWS services, making sure no unauthorized party sneaks in. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Imagine AWS IAM as a superhero squad. You assign roles, define powers, and keep the villains out. It ensures your cloud environment stays secure while letting you fine-tune who gets access. Whether it's users, groups, or policies, IAM has the tools to keep everything under control without the headache of manual tracking. Security in AWS without IAM. That's like leaving your front door wide open. IAM ensures that only authorized users get through, whether it's with passwords, access keys, or multi-factor authentication. Plus, it constantly watches for suspicious activity, because let's face it, security should never take a nap. Think of authentication as checking someone's ID before letting them into a party, and authorization as deciding which rooms they can enter. IAM handles both with precision, using policies to ensure users get the right level of access. And yes, security in AWS is a bit like throwing a VIP-only event. Imagine having a storage solution that never complains, never takes a break, and scales effortlessly. Yep, that's S3. It's the backbone for IAM backends, offering durability and high availability so your data stays safe. Plus, with built-in encryption and access control, security is baked right in. And the best part, it plays well with other AWS services, making integration a breeze. So, if you want a backend that works harder than you do, S3 is the way to go. Ever tried editing a document while someone else is making changes? Chaos, right? That's why state locking is crucial in IAM backends. It prevents multiple modifications at once, ensuring consistency. DynamoDB steps in as the reliable lock keeper, making sure no accidental overwrites happen. Think of it as a traffic cop for your IAM configurations, keeping everything in order and preventing unwanted surprises. Security is like locking your front door. You wouldn't leave it wide open, right? IAM backend security starts with least privilege access, ensuring users only get what they need. Multi-factor authentication adds an extra layer of protection, like a secret handshake. Regular audits keep policies in check, and encryption ensures sensitive data stays safe. Follow these best practices, and your IAM backend will be as secure as Fort Knox. IAM backend integration is like assembling a superhero team. Each AWS service brings its own strengths. EC2, Lambda, and RDS work together seamlessly, while IAM roles ensure secure access. API gateway authentication keeps things locked down, and automation makes scaling effortless. With the right integrations, your IAM backend becomes a powerhouse, ready to handle anything AWS throws at it. Nobody likes a slow system, especially when it comes to IAM. Optimizing API response times keeps things snappy, while caching speeds up frequent requests. Monitoring latency and throughput helps identify bottlenecks, and dynamic scaling ensures resources adjust to demand. Think of it like tuning a race car, fine-tune performance, and your IAM backend will run like a dream. Scalability is like preparing for a surprise party. You need to handle unexpected guests. Horizontal scaling ensures your IAM backend grows with demand, while auto-scaling groups adjust resources automatically. Optimizing database performance keeps things running smoothly, and serverless architectures take scalability to the next level. Plan ahead, and your IAM backend will be ready for anything. Monitoring your IAM backend is like keeping an eye on your house. If something goes wrong, you want to know immediately. CloudWatch provides real-time insights, while AWS Config ensures compliance. CloudTrail logs help track activity, and alerts notify you of security incidents. Stay vigilant, and your IAM backend will always be one step ahead of trouble. The future of IAM is looking smarter, literally. AI-driven security is on the rise, making threat detection more intelligent. Zero-trust models ensure security is airtight, while machine learning enhances automation. Compliance and governance will continue to be a priority, keeping organizations in check. Stay ahead of the curve, and your IAM backend will be future-proof. And that's a wrap. IAM backends are the unsung heroes of security and scalability. Following best practices keeps them running smoothly, while AWS integrations unlock new possibilities. The future promises exciting advancements, so staying informed is key. Thanks for joining. Now go forth and build an IAM backend that's as strong as your coffee. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.